Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Oneplus 9 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert plastic upright tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect and remove the flasher plug. And then undo 9 screws and lift the board frame with the wireless coil using a pry tool. Next, from the right hand side, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the PCB cover. Next, disconnect the top end of the main and charging port flex connectors from the board. Next, take out the shield on the main flex and disconnect the bottom end of the main ribbon flex before pulling it out. Next, take out the speaker buzzer and then disconnect the Touch ID flex connector and 2 antennas on the bottom PCB. Next, undo one more screw and pull off the secondary PCB board. Next, gently pull out the broken charging port flex from the body. Next, place the new charging port flex on the body. Next, place the speaker buzzer in the body and then place the bottom PCB. Next, secure the secondary PCB by screw and then connect the Touch ID camera and then connect both antenna heads to the board. Next, connect both ends on the main flex cable and then secure the charging port to the main board. Next, place the shield on the main ribbon flex and place the bottom PCB cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and then secure the logic board frame by adding 9 screws. And also make sure to connect the flash sensor and the shield. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.